Alrighty, so welcome back, and we're going to go ahead and get into the training on how to add AppLovin ads to your. This is what we're going to learn. What is AppLovin, and should you use it? How to set up an AppLovin account, how to get your AppLovin key, SDK key, what I got here? Add the key into your Andromo app. Or I should say, how to add the key into your Andromo app. And 5, test, build, and run your app. And I have an asterisk here. AppLovin and Andromo suggest you temporarily disable all other ad networks and then run it a few times until you see your first AppLovin interstitial video ad or interstitial. And we're going to make adjustments to the interstitial ad settings. Okay, first, what is AppLovin? Okay, AppLovin is basically a video platform that serves video ads onto your app. That's all they do is videos. Okay, I've used AppLovin for about 3 years now, and you can make a lot of money with AppLovin. At one point, I was averaging really about $350 a month from AppLovin, okay? In addition to, Admob and Amazon and so on. But you can make a lot of money with AppLovin. And like I said, all they do is just serve video ads, okay? That's basically what AppLovin does. And actually, AppLovin is part of the Admob network. I guess I'll explain a little bit about how Admob does. Admob takes all these networks, the ones we're using here. Now I'm on my project. So if following along, go ahead and log into your project. Okay. Go to your Andromo account, log into your project. You're going to click edit. Okay. But as I was saying, Admob incorporates all these ad networks actually into their network. So the way Andromo does it, you can use AppLovin as a separate ad network. Okay. If you notice, sometimes when in your Admob, when they're showing interstitial ads, sometimes you'll see a video every now and then, and that's AppLovin actually serving that through Admob. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna go to monetization. Let's get right into it. Okay, and going to click here to AppLovin. Okay, now how to set up your account. First thing you do to set up your account, what you can do is click this link right here. It says AppLovin account. Okay, and it's going to take you to the sign up page. Now we're going to do this whole process together. Okay, and then if you need help, of course, you can go to the Setup AppLovin Ads page that Andromo has outlined for you. And I believe the directions are still the same, and the AppLovin network or the sign up is still the same. Okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get signed up. So go ahead and click this link right here. Okay? It's going to take you to this page. And I'm going to set up a new account and everything. Okay? Let's put Mogul app. Well, I guess I can put my name, because I may just use this sometime a little later. Okay. Okay, go ahead and fill out this information. If you have a website, put your website up there. Now, select. You're going to click developer here. Okay, platform is going to be Android. Make a password, then click agree. Then they're going to send you an email, and you got to confirm. So with that being said, we're going to pause the video and go to the next part. We're going to check our email and finish our session. All right, so once you got all these fields completed, developer, you're going to be, remember, it's going to ask you advertiser or developer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Android, set your password. Let us know. You can put you can put Andromo if you want or other. Agree. And I am not a robot. And then create your account. And they're gonna send you an email. Oh, oops. They're gonna ask you for a website. I see. So, okay, I'm gonna put my I'll put my blogger address up there. See if that'll work. And I do need to put up my WordPress website once again, but anyway. So then go ahead and create an account. Okay, seem to be having some problems with the Admob creating an account, but anyway, I think it's fixed now. So after you click create account, it'll probably lead you to this page. Okay, so what you're going to do then, go ahead and put your phone number in, and I guess it's going to do a two-step verification. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, they're probably going to text me a code. And we're going to see if that'll work. Okay, I got the code. And then what you do is enter that code. Let's see. Always click that remember me for 30 days, so that keeps you having to re-verify over and over and over. Okay, so let's go ahead and, here we go. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so this is our new account. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need to get to the SDK part, and I believe it's right here. Let's see. No, that's not quite it. Okay, we've got it figured out. Okay, now once you get to this page, okay, as we did previously, you get to this page, click on this integration documentation. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to come to this page. Okay. It's going to say, welcome to the AppLovin Integration Guide. Please select the platform to the left to get started. We're clicking Android. Okay. Click on Getting Started. Okay. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to get this part. We're going to scroll down. When you get to this part right here, add your AppLovin SDK key. Okay. What you're going to do is copy this part right here where it says Android value equals. You're going to copy all of that code within the quotation marks. Okay. That's going to be your key. Okay. Copy that. Okay. Let's go back to Andromo. You're going to select AppLovin Interstitial Ads and you're going to put that key right there. Okay. And that's your key. That's how easy it is. Now, what we're going to do is, well, save changes. Okay. And we're going to go to build. But first, what we're going to do is, let's go by instructions here, or what we're going to learn. How to set up your AppLovin account. How to get your key, I just showed you that. Add the key into the Android app, I just showed you that. Test, build, and run your app. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to disable all other ad networks, because AppLovin and Andromo suggest that you do that. And that's going according to your setup documentation here. Okay, at the end, actually. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is disable. But, oh, and I'll put the link to this also inside of the description, so you can use this. And actually, this is what I follow. But I remember, you know, this part right here, integrating the SDK or your AppLovin key. So anyway, let's go ahead and disable Admob. Let's go ahead and just temporarily disable it. And don't worry about it. When you click it again, your numbers show up again. Your unit ID will show up again. So we're going to disable that and disable that one. Okay. And like I said, you know, once we tested it and everything, to enable it again, your links are going to show back up. Or your ad unit links are going to show back up. Your app ID is going to show back up. Okay. So let's disable Amazon. Okay. And the only thing we should have enabled is AppLovin. Now, I know in previous videos I told you, go ahead and set up all your ad networks. But in this case, we want to see if AppLovin is working. Okay? We want to see if AppLovin is working first by itself, because it's going to be video ads. So, with that said, save changes. Don't remember to save your changes. Okay? And I believe it is saving. Okay? All right, go ahead to build. And we're going to build it out. So go ahead and build your app. And what we're going to do after we build it, we're going to install it on our phone and test it out. So that's going to end this portion of the video. We're going to, like I said, we're going to install the app on our phone. And we're going to test it to see if our Andromo ads are working. So I'll see you in the next part.